Hello mga kabulog-bulog. Welcome back again to my channel. Of course, good morning everyone. And this is me again, Roel Estrada, your kabulog-bulog. And mga kabulog-bulog, eto nga pala yung dapat nating gawin. If you have your favorite song, no, lalong-lalo na po yun dun sa mga mahilig mag-video, okay, just drop your message below at the comment section at try ko i-download tapos ipopost ko dito, no, whoever na magre-request ng song, mention ko yung pangalan nyo para ma-update din po kayo, ha? Ganyang gagawin natin mga kabulog-bulog. So again, for those who have your favorite song out there, don't forget to drop your message in the comment section, yung title nyo, tapos i-download ko, i-search ko, then I will mention sa pangalan nyo, para alam nyo din na downloaded and uploaded na yung favorite song nyo for video. Okay? So mga kabulog-bulog, yan lang po muna sa ngayon. And don't forget nga pala, tomorrow we will be having our farm tour, familiarization tour by the Provincial Tourism Office from Panaon to Pacific. So we will see you there mga kabulog-bulog. Amping tangtanan, good luck and God bless us all. Thank you.
Cap your love below vlog.